This is power of the color, guys. Look at the before and after. Stay with me in this journey. What if I told you this room doesn't need new furniture? It doesn't need expensive decoration. It only needs the right colors. Today, I'm challenging myself to transform this space starting with just one color: blue. Before adding anything, let's take a moment to look at the room. The furniture feels balanced, the light is beautiful, the texture work together, but something is missing. It feels complete, yet it doesn't tell a story. I'm not changing the sofa, I'm not replacing the decor. I'm simply introducing blue in the smallest details. Sometimes a single color is enough to change the mood before you even notice why. Let the color grow. Now blue begins to spread naturally across the room. It appears in the artwork, the textile, and the decorative pieces. Nothing feels forced. This space is becoming calm, more connected, and more intentional. The details matter, guys. This is where most transformation happen. Not through big changes, but through small, repeated details. When the same color appears in different place, the entire room starts to feel more harmonious. At this point, the challenge should be finished. The room looks fresh, elegant, and much more alive than before. But I still feel like something is missing. Blue creates calm. Now let's see if we can create warmth without losing that feeling. A touch of terracotta instantly changed the conversation. The room feels warmer, more welcoming, and more human. It's surprising how much a small addition can shift the entire atmosphere. There is only one final piece missing. A soft layer of sage green brings everything together. Now, the room doesn't just look beautiful, it feels balanced. And final reveal. The furniture never changed. The layout stayed exactly the same. Even the decor remained untouched. The only things we changed was the color story. And somehow the room feels completely different. This is the power of thoughtful color layering. Not replacing what you have, but revealing its full potential. Which version feels more like home to you? It's my honor to know what's your opinion about this color story. Thank you for your time, guys.